everyone, and welcome to Village Knockout. This time we're coming to you from 6A Back to the World! Village Knockout is not for the faint-hearted. Two teams will go head-to-head in the 2-minute-game round. Whoever wins the most rounds will take home the big D, big dub. And if we get into a tie, we are going to a sudden death. Let's meet our contestants.
Talofa, my name is Tiani Ayesi.
Talofa, my name is Nathan.
We are Team Fight! Yes, Team Fight!
Talofalova, I'm Ella.
Talofa, my name is Zacharias.
We are Team Slay!
Slay, slay, slay. Absolutely slay that fight. Let's get into round one. Two teams will battle it out in a game called Guess the Dance. One player has to do a dance style and your team member needs to guess. Team Slay, 60 seconds starts now.
Oh, chest popping, pop, pop, pop.
Hopping is correct.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey.
I can't even do it. I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Booty pop.
Give up.
Pop, pop, chest pop,
Chest
pop,
pop
lock
is
and drop.
correct.
Siva, Samoan, hula. Hula?
We'll give you half a point for hula.
Horse.
The horses are in
Dolphin dive.
time. Okay.
Body roll.
Body roll is correct. 5,
Worm.
4, 3.
Wave.
Two. Wave is correct. That is a point to Team Slay.
Slay.
Thank you very much.
Slay.
Yeah, slay the day. Okay, Team
Tiani.
Fight, are you ready? Your 60 seconds starts now.
What is that?
Okay, next one.
Michael Jackson slide.
Wait. Where? Come on, you can do it.
A fish.
4, not a fish. 3, 2. Oh gosh. Give it to me. Hey. What's she doing with her leg? 3, 2, 1. That move was called stanky leg. You can stank your way back to the podium. Thank you very much. Oh my God. The winner for this round is Team Slay. Round 2, wrap it up.
Yes! Let's go.
Each player wraps a line and the next player begins their line with the last 2 words of the last phrase. The one that drops the ball doesn't get a point. Are we ready?
We're ready.
We're ready. Okay, Team Fight, you're up. Your first word is ball.
Drop the beat.
Go.
The ball is so round and tall.
Round and tall. I wanna go to the mall.
The mall, I want to be some ball.
What is a
Be
what?
humble. Did he say be humble?
What the hell was that? Thank you, Team Fight, but that one goes to Team Slay. That was great. Your next word is Samoa. Team Slay, you're up.
Ella.
Samoa, I wanna go there. I'm already here.
Your next word is step. Team Fight, step it up.
You got it.
A step is high.
Hi, I'm so fly.
I fly, and I'm so...
Tie my tie.
Ty, I want to eat pie.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Team Slay. You slay another day. Your last word is shining. Team Fight, you're up.
Hey. What's the word?
Shining like a star in the sky.
Star in the sky, I want to get high.
I want to get high and I want to get roll.
You can roll your
Get
way
low.
out of here now. Thank you, Team Fight. The winner of that round is Team Slay. Congratulations. You have 1 Village Knockout for this week. Please come and collect your prizes. Congratulations. Slay your way back to your podium. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Another
Thank
round
you.
of applause.
Thank you.
Woo-hoo. Thank you for tuning in this week. Please tune back in next week for another round of
Village Knockout!